In this video I'll show you the Solognag X-Access new model size medium from Decathlon. I went to Decathlon to see if they have this bag, and to my surprise I found the new model. This is the old model. This is the Solognag X-Access S, the size S, the small pouch, and that's the new one. So actually there was the size M for this one on the left. This is the old model with the big bulky screw. This is the quick difference. The old model has this look and it has the big zippers, and the new model has a smaller zipper here, and it's more, I believe it looks nicer, more compact without this huge belt strap on the back. And actually this is the size S from the old model, and that's the size M from the new model. I bought first this one because they were going to be discontinued, the Solognac Organizer X-Access, and the medium was out of stock completely, and it was end of line they call it, and they still have the small ones in stock. So I believe when these ones are finished they will bring the new model from the new model size S. So now I have the size S, the old one, and the size M, the new one. This bag is really great to attach to your backpack, or in general to have it as a everyday carry items bag EDC kit. You can carry everyday items with you that you need attached to a bag, because this is actually, it will not fit in your pocket unless you have like some really large pockets. And best thing is actually this attachment here. It's meant to go onto a belt strap or a backpack, so you can have this secured to your bag. And this is the barcode, X-Access pouch M, that's their code. And it's interesting this time they chose to attach these labels on this really easy to tear piece of material. So the previous one had the labels inside, but I think it's better like this. So you have these are the details, 100% polyester. You don't wash in the machine or anything. Don't see the sign about hand washing. So it's like everything is not allowed. Should be able to hand wash it at least. More information. Different areas where they sell these. They have really everything here. And this is the Chinese info, is more detailed. Or maybe no. That's the information about the manufacture date, 2024 July. So it's a new model, but not very new. They had it for a while. In some countries they sell this model. In some countries they sell this model, in other countries they sell the old one. So I think they just go through the stock. As the old model sells, they will bring the new one. And that's the RFID chip. This is the wireless identification of this bag. So in the shop, you put it, when they put it in the bag to scan all the items, there is a tiny chip with the antenna, if you see it inside here. So you have this, I think the chip is right there. And all this is just antennas to pick up the radio signal from the readers and energize the chip to be able to read it. Works similar to the cards, how the bank cards work with the contactless payments. They also have an antenna So those are the labels, and the design of it, actually, it's pretty interesting. I like it. You have these attachment points. They are part of the look of it, but you have this interesting, the material seems more, I don't know, seems the same, but these straps are really well sewn into the bag, and especially here with this attachment point. And you can attach things here. You can even attach another bag on top of this one. So as it has the straps, you can add it here, another bag if you wanted to. So let's see. One quick access pocket. And it has this, some kind of, okay, we have this. Okay, let's have a closer look at the bag. We have this interesting, this piece of cord is very light. I like that. It's not too thick, so it also keeps the bag light. And the zipper, it's very easy to pull. It's nice and compact. And here you have a pocket, but it's like all the way from here to there. Maybe you could put a mobile phone here, but it has some, okay, this is just cloth there. So okay, this, my phone wouldn't fit. My phone wouldn't fit here, but maybe in one of the large compartments, but you could put other things. What I don't like is that it has this piece of material there. There is that material. They needed it for the sewing to make it more strong. So, but there is no piece of plastic, anything hard. It's all soft there. And the pocket actually can expand as you fill it up. It has the sewing pattern. It's made so the bag can expand. It can expand as you fill it, so that's really good, adjustable, auto adjusting bag. So let's look at the main compartment. Again, this pretty nice zipper, and here you have it like it opens like a book, like this, so you could open it like that. And this is really good here. You have these straps, elastic bands to attach things. So you have one elastic band that is large, like this. You can fit about 4 fingers of your hand on each side, 3 fingers comfortably, let's say 3 fingers. I think they are different size or the same. And then you have these smaller ones. So this is a really nice design, very smart here. So you can use this in multiple ways. Either have a large item or 2 small items. And there is this interesting edge here. This could be used for something. You can put some fishing line around it or a wire. If you have a wire, you can put like a frame inside there. It's something like anything to secure some just simple gardening wire, if that's what you have. Or a fishing line to make a larger loop and just put it outside around here to keep it. Or under these straps. There is no pocket on this side. The pocket is on the outside for there. And this is pretty nice here. You can have something sitting here on top together with these attached items, or You can put it in a bag. Here you have a pocket. So there is another pocket here. That's pretty nice actually. But this is without a zipper. You can just put something to sit there, to lay there inside, and another zipper. So we have it as a book. As I open this one is a bit hard to open. Let's see. Maybe just the first time. So once I open that zipper, there is another compartment. And this one I have to open it all the way so it opens nicely. It's really like a book. So you have page 1, you have the cover, front pocket. Page 1, these large items and the small items compact combo. Then you have this middle pocket, which is really interesting. That one. And then you have also the back of the bag. But this is more spacious, it has more volume to it. And you can put, again, these large items here and here and there. And there is also the small items. So you have a combination of elastic bands for to secure your items that you carry with you. And the back here, these are the straps. So on the bottom of the bag you have these clips. It's more like a, don't know exactly how this is called. I believe this is better, it's nicer than the old design. It's more compact and just as secure. So you have these caps, or I don't know exactly how these are called. And then you have the zip, this hook and loop. And there is no way once you touch this to a bag, you will attach it. For example, you have it on your belt, you touch it like that and the belt will be in the middle. And then you also add this thing. It's gonna be very secure, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's really secure like that. Same on this side. And the best thing is that if you don't need the hook and loop to use it as a bag, you always have it with you in case you need it for something else. So that's good to have there, I believe. This is the size M Solognag bag from Decathlon. EDC bag to carry your audio. I will try to put the audio gear on this. I will most probably use this as an audio gear pouch. I had this small one here for the recording the cables and audio gear, but I thought since I'm gonna have it in the bag anyway, I could have this for some really small items, really adapters, something that I would, maybe the recorder, I could put the PCM 810 recorder with the microphone here and the wind protection. As SD cards, I could keep this for SD cards. This is much more basic, very small. It doesn't have this combo option, so yeah. I like this new size M pouch much more, and I'm looking forward to see how the size S for the new model will look like. I know how it looks like, they have it on the website on Decathlon in other countries, but here they don't have it yet, so when I have it I will give it a try. Thanks for watching. Let me know what I should try to put. Let me know if you have a bag that you carry with you every day and what you carry in it. If it's technology items, USB cables, or anything about urban environment or rural environment for in the city or in the countryside. Thanks for watching. Before the unboxing, I will have a bit of water. Synchronized. In this video, I will show you. In this video, I will show you the Solognag resistant gear. In this video, I'll show you. This bag. They sell this bag in the. This bag is really great to have it as a. This bag is really good to have it as a EDC carry kit.